This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. A line of snow showers will affect Huron, Richland, eastern Seneca, Erie, Marion, Ashland, southeastern Wyandotte, Morrow, southeastern Sandusky, Crawford, and Lorain counties until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, radar indicated snow showers along a line extending from near northern Milan to near Shelby to near Cardington, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include winds to 30 miles per hour, visibility dropping to less than 3/4 of a mile, a quick coating of snow on roads leading to slick travel. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Mansfield, Marion, Sandusky, Ashland, Norwalk, Bucyrus, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Mount Gilead, Strongsville, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Gallion, Shelby, Bellevue, Grafton, and Willard. Use extra caution if you must travel. Rapid changes in visibility and potentially slick roads may lead to accidents.